the most important thing about reversing?
To look behind you.
Okay, so look over your shoulder before you go back.
Right.
When the wheels are straight, the steering wheel looks like that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So but you've got two other positions which look the same, one to the right and one to the left. So turn the steering wheel one turn to the right. Can you turn it further to the right?
Yeah.
No, so that's the right position. So now straighten the wheel. And turn it one turn to the left. Can you turn it further to the left? No, okay, so that's the left position. Okay, straighten the wheel. Good, all right. On your driving test, you won't be parking in a gap between cars. You'll always be parking on the left, and there won't be anything behind you. They don't want to stick. So let's pull up alongside the target car and stop with the door mirror about halfway along that car.
Okay. Is this our target car?
Yeah, that's our target car. So stop with the door mirror about halfway down the car. All right. Okay, so one turn to the left.
Yeah.
Reverse gear. And right blind spot, very good. So we're going to swing out until we're roughly at 2 o'clock. Go back into the car is at roughly an angle of 2 o'clock with the road at 12 o'clock. Okay. So one turn to the right, the wheels will be straight again. Good, good, good. And now just stop for a second. Can you see the curb in the door mirror?
No.
If not, can you just tilt the mirror down a wee bit? And just go back until the line of the curb is roughly under the door handle. Okay, so stop. One more turn to the right. We're just going to reverse back until you can see the curb stretching alongside the car. And stop. Can you see that? Sort of the curb alongside the car.
Yeah.
One turn to the left, the wheels will be straight again. And let's just drive forwards a couple of feet, just to show it who's boss. Hey, I'm parking here. Okay, very good. Right, let's try it again, this time without me saying anything. Okay, so over to you.
There is a car coming.
There is a car coming. Now, what would help other drivers understand what you're intending to do?
Indicating.
Yeah, so you can signal right as you go out and then signal left while you're parking.
Okay.
And then signal left. Right. Now, quite close there. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, where you go.
What's it looking like?
So it's kind of acceptable. It could be a little bit closer, couldn't you? But that's an acceptable distance. Okay.